I'm gonna make chicken pot pie today. It's a really easy recipe. I've been making it for years. I'm gonna just use all easy ingredients. That way you can do it like on a weeknight or something like that. I'm gonna turn on the oven. I'm gonna turn it on to 450. I'm following the recipe for the pie crust. I took out regular pie crust from my freezer, and you always can buy that on sale when like it's a holiday and put it in your freezer. And I did put some spray on the pan, and you can take it out and put it in your refrigerator, or you can just take it out and put it on your countertop to thaw it. I'm gonna open all these cans. That's why it's so easy. It's all in cans. I mean, you can make it the fancy way too, but so I have potatoes. I have 2 cans of mixed vegetables. I have carrots. You can add any kind of vegetable you want. If you want to add peas, you can do that. It doesn't matter. Chicken. I brought up 2 cans, but I think I only really need 1 can of chicken. And then cream of chicken soup. And then a little bit of ground sage. You don't have to put that in either. You can just put pepper if you want to do that. I'm gonna open all these. I'm gonna take the water out of all these, not the condensed soup. Get all this out of here. Yeah, I can see the chicken in there. That's why I thought that it looked like enough. And so I'm gonna throw this in here. Takes about like 3 seconds. Takes you long enough to open the cans. Yeah, I'm just unrolling this, and I'm gonna just place it right on top, and then I'm just gonna go like that. It doesn't have to be beautiful. I've seen people like have it like perfect, like with their fingers. I don't know how to do that, so. And I'm just gonna put a couple of like little, like that, like little holes so it can have some air. Before it goes into the oven, I put like aluminum foil around like this, just kind of like this. And I always put a baking sheet, because who wants to clean their oven, like have it drip down? No, I mean, I do clean my oven. And then when you see that it's really starting to cook on the top, then I pull this back. It says maybe 15 minutes. I think it might take a little longer than that. When you look at this, it's definitely not done yet. And it has been in 20 minutes. That is definitely not ready, so. I just took it out of the oven, and actually it pretty much took an hour to cook, and I left it at 450 for an hour. It just took a long time. It could be just my oven, I don't know. This is it all done, nice and brown. I mean, you could cook it the day before if you had the day off or something like that, and then just reheat it in the oven. I let it cool for probably like maybe like 10, 15 minutes. That way you can cut it. If it's too hot, it doesn't cut very well. So that's your meat.